Okay, we'll start the topic. Okay. So in previous class we discussed about up to post position and follow positions. The problem is almost completed. Then we have to do for the last conversion of RE to DFA. Okay, conversion of RE to DFA. Okay, how to do the final steps for the given problems. How to do the final steps for the given problem. Okay, now you can go just listen here. So this is the final output. So this is for, you can go out for the first, you got to draw for the hash symbol expressions. Okay. Second thing, you got to construct for the syntax tree. Third thing, you got to do for the numbering of all the syntax tree. Then after that, we do for the first position and follow position for the based on the given syntax tree construction. Then after that, you got to complete for the follow positions. Follow position. Okay, it's correct. Okay. Now you can convert for the next step is converting regular expression to DFA. Converting regular expression to DFA. So based on the given problem, you have to do for conversion of regular expression to DFA problems. Conversion of regular expression to DFA. Okay. Now you can go to the problem. Next steps. Okay. Conversion formula. Okay. This is for your basic things. Just now I can drive the formula. So your answer is, you are based on the given solution we are having for a to, that is 1 to 6. The node is for 1 to 6. The node is for 1 to 6. The follow position of 1 is 1 to 3. Follow position of 1 is 1 to 3. 2 is 1 to 3. 3 is 4. 4 is y. 5 is 6. 6 is empty. Okay. Then you have to check that here in the diagram, first position, follow position of the syntax tree diagram, the root is labeled by 1, 2, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3. The root is labeled by, that is the first position of root. The first position of root is labeled by, the first position value is 1, 2, 3. The last position of the root value is 6. So the first position is the root value of 1, 2, 3. So here in the 1, 2, 3 is the root of first position. It will be considered for the root. The root is numbered by, I mentioned the number, it is called it A states. State of A. Okay, it's clear. So based on the syntax tree, after converting for first position, last position and follow position, the root is 1, 2, 3. That is the first position is the root. The root values indicate for 1, 2, 3. So it is marked as A, capital A. Capital A. Okay. So here 1, 2, 3 is root. The root is marked as A. So based on the root value of A, we are having for input symbol. We are having for two input symbol. One is input symbol of A, another one is input symbol of B. It's correct. Input symbol of A and another one is input symbol of B. Input symbol of B. It's clear? Okay. So input symbol of A, input symbol of B. So based on the marked states of A, we are having the numbering 1, 2, 3. So in that 1, 2, 3, the input symbol A, what is the position for input symbol A? We are having 1, 2, 3. So 1 is nothing but A. So the position for input symbol of capital A in capital A states, the input symbol of A is related to 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 1, 2 is B, then leave it. Then 3, 3 is A. So 1 A. 1, 1, 3. Sorry, 1, 3. So the input symbol A states A. Input symbol of A, for the position of input symbol A is 1 and 3. 1 and 3 only marked at small a. Input symbol A. 1 and 3. Okay. Then what is the follow position for? Then you have to calculate the 1 and 3 follow positions. So the positions are 1, 3. 1, 3. Just clearly understand the problem. 1, 3. What about the 1 of follow position? The 1 of follow position is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Union. What about the 3 follow position? 3 follow position is 4. 3 is 4. So what is 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3 union 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here Input symbol of A comma A is, what is the answer here? A comma A is 1, 2, 3. A comma A is 1, 2, 3, 4. So here you can mark it as the new state. The new state is nothing but B. So A is 1, 2, 3, B is 1, 2, 3, 4. A is 1, 2, 3, B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's clear. So here, so in the input symbol of A of A is, it is marked as the output is B. Okay, so A of A is marked as B. The B is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what is the value for A? A is 1, 2, 3. A is 1, 2, 3. A is 1, 2, 3. The B value is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. B value is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, okay, then you can check next thing. Next thing. Okay, check. Next thing, check. Here 1, 2, 3. Now you are calculating A is completed, then you can go to the input symbol of B. Now you are calculating for A comma B. So in that position of A 1, 2, 3 is, what is the position of B? The B only for 2 is B. Out of 1, 2, 3, 2 is B. So what will do? The 2 follow position you have to calculate. What is the 2 follow position? 2 follow position is 1, 2, 3. So A comma B is, what is the answer here? A comma B is 1, 2, 3. A comma B is 1, 2, 3. What is 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3 already it is marked as A. So A comma B is A. A comma B is A. So here you can write for A. Okay. Here you can write for A. Okay. Now you are completed for A. Then we are converting for creating for one new state. The new state is marked as B. Then you can calculate for B. B of A. B of A. Okay. Now you can calculate B of A. Now you can calculate for B of A. What is B of A? So here what is B? B is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 1, 2, 3. Everything you have to write it in braces symbol. So within the braces symbol only you have to write the values. Okay. So B is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. B is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What is B? B is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4 states. So in that B, we are having for two input symbol. One symbol for A, another one symbol for B. So what is the position of A for the given input symbol? A is 1 is for A, 2 is B, leave it. Another 3 is for A, 4 is B, so leave it. So in that A, the position of A for the input symbol is 1, 3. The position of input symbol, 1, 3 is A is 1, 3. So what is 1? What is the 1 follow position? The 1 follow position is 1, 2, 3. What is the 3 follow position? 3 follow position is 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 1, 2, 3, 4? Already your name mark it as A. B. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So B of A is mark it as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is B only. So you can write B. Okay, B. Now you can go to the B, input symbol of B. Input symbol of B. Input symbol of B. So what is B? B is, for the position of, for the capital B status, the B is, what is the position for small input symbol B? 2 is B, 4 is B. So you can write 2, 4 for B. So what is the follow position of 2? Follow position of 2 is 1, 2, 3. Follow position of 4 is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5. The union is, what is the B, B is 1, 2, 3, 5. So here you can mark it as the new states. Already A will be marked B. Another one more state is, you can mark it as C. So C is 1, 2, 3, 4. So B, B is C. So C is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 5. Sorry, 3, 5. 3, 5. Okay. Okay. Now you can do for another state, you are create a new state. Then you can calculate the states of C in the input symbol of A and B. How to calculate? How to calculate? Again, same procedure you have to follow. What is the procedure here? You can check the same procedure. C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 5. Sorry, 3, 5. 3, 5. We are having two input symbol, one for A, another one for B. Out of the input, the position of 1, 2, 3, 5 is, what is the position of A input symbol? A, 1 and 3. So 1, comma 3. So what is the follow position for 1, comma 3? 1 is 1, 2, 3. 3 is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 already marked. 1, 2, 3, 4 is nothing but B. So C, comma A is B. C, comma A is B. So C, comma A is B. Okay. Then you got to check for another thing. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, what is the portion of input symbol B? One is 2. Another one is 5. Correct. So what is 2, comma 5? The position of follow position of 2 is 1, 2, 3. The follow position of 5 is 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3, these are new states. Okay, only A is 1, 2, 3, B is 1, 2, 3, 4, C is 1, 2, 3, 5, then D. You can mark it as the new name D. D is 1, 2, 3, 6. D is 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, so C, comma B is D. So C, A and B completed. Now you can calculate for new states of D. Now you can calculate the D states. What is the D states here? The D state is 1, 2, 3, 6. The D state is 1, 2, 3, 6. The D state is 1, 2, 3, 6. The position of input we are having for two input symbol, one for A, another one for B. The position of input symbol small a is, one is 1, another one is 3, 1, comma 3. Then you can calculate the follow position of 1 and 3. The 1 follow position is 1, 2, 3. The 3 follow position is 4. What is the value for 1, 2, 3, 4? 1, 2, 3, 4 is nothing but B. So D of A is B. Now you can calculate for B position. So here 2 is for B. Another 6 is for B. So here 2, comma 6. What is 2? 2 follow position is 1, 2, 3. 6 follow position is empty. So the final answer is 1, 2, 3. What is 1, 2, 3? A is 1, 2, 3. So A is 1, 2, 3. Now you can got the idea how to calculate convert for the RE to DFA. Okay. So here once again I repeat the problem. Okay. Just wait. It's share the whiteboard. I draw the problem just to clearly write. Monitor the problem. Once again, I repeat the problem. Just I find out the problem. Okay. So here, first I have to draw the syntax tree. Okay. So here, A slash B. A is 1, B is 2. Then star. So A bar B, now I am complete the problem. I do the problem for A bar B the whole star, A B B. A B B hash. Okay. Okay. Here dot A. The A is nothing but 3. Next you are doing for B. The B is nothing but 4. Okay. Next do for dot B. Another B is nothing but another B is nothing but 5. Then hash is nothing but 6. It's clear? Okay. So what is the root value of A? The root value of A is, that is the first position of C1 is root. So according to the given problem, the root is A is 1, 2, 3. That is the root. A is nothing but root. That is, after completing the syntax tree, you got to calculate the first position of C1. That is the root. The first position of C1 is 1, 2, 3. So the 1, 2, 3 is marked it as root. The root value will be indicated for the states of A, capital A. States of capital A. Okay. Then you can write the follow position for all the nodes. 1 the follow position is 1, 2, 3. 2 follow position is 1, 2, 3. 3 follow position is 4. 4 follow position is 5. 5 follow position is 6. 6 follow position is empty. So this is for the follow positions. Okay, here. Now the input A is the new state. Now you can calculate for the new states. Now you can calculate for the new states. I erase the already do now. Just I check because the less part only. Now I erase it. Okay. Here I convert for RE to DFA. A. We are having two input symbol, one for A, another one for B. Okay. So in that states of 1, 2, 3, we are having for two input symbol, one is A, another one is B. So in that states of 1, 2, 3, the input symbol of A, the position of A is 1 is 1, another one is 3. It's correct. A for 1, B for 2, A bar B the whole star A for another A for 3, another B for 4, another B for 5, another B for 5. Okay, ma? So in that 1, 2, 3, what is the input symbol A? 1 for A, 3 for A. So here in the A comma A is 1 comma 3. Okay. So what is the position of 1 comma 3? In the 1 is the follow position is 1, 2, 3. 3 follow position is 4. Okay. 3 follow position is 4. 1 follow position is 1, 2, 3. 3 follow position is 4. Okay. So 1 is 1, 2, 3. 3 is 4. The input symbol of 1, 2, 3 comma A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this is a new state. The new state mark it as capital B. So here A comma A is capital B. Okay. So here A is 1, 2, 3. Just to clear the problem. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then good. Next. So the states of 1, 2, 3, the input symbol position of B is only 2 only. The 2 only B. Out of 1, 2, 3, 2 is B. So you can write 2. So 2 follow position is only 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What is 1, 2, 3? The 1, 2, 3 is nothing but A. 1, 2, 3 is nothing but A. So here you can write as A comma B is A. Okay, it's clear. Now you can go to the next steps. B. Next step is B. Okay, next step. Next step is B. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's correct. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the input symbol of AB, the position of 1, 2, 3, 4, the input symbol of A is 1 and 3. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 3 is A. 1 and 3 is A. 1 and 3 is small a. So what is the follow position of 1? 1 is 1, 2, 3. 3 is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the value? 1, 2, 3, 4 is B. So B comma A is B. Okay. Then what is the follow position of B? What is the follow position of what is the follow position of B states of the position of small b is 1 is 2, another one is 4. So 2 follow position is 1, 2, 3. 4 follow position is 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 5 it is a new state. The new state it is mark it as C. C. So the B comma B is C. The C is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, now C complete. Now B complete. Then next you go move on to the states of C. Okay, C is 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. This is C. So the C states of 1, 2, 3 output, the position of small a is 1, 1 and 3. So what is 1 and 3 follow position? 1 follow position is 1, 2, 3. 3 follow position is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So small a is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 is nothing but capital B. Okay, what is the B position of B in the C states? 1 for 2, another one for 5. 2 is nothing but 1, 2, 3. 5 is nothing but 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. So 1, 2, 3, it is not there in the state. So this is a new state. The new state mark it as D. The D is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 6. So C comma B is D. Okay. Now you can go to the D states. So C is over. C of input symbol A and B is over. D of input symbol C and D is over. Now you can go to the next step. D. So D is 1, 2, 3, 6. Everything you got to state can be marked it as the braces only. Okay. Without braces, we can't write it anything. So 1, 2, 3, 6 of the states D. The input symbol of A, the position of input symbol A is 1 and 3. So one follow position is 1, 2, 3. 3 follow position is 4. So you got to merge for these two things. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 answer is B. So D of input symbol A is capital B. Okay. Then here check in D states of position of input symbol B in the position of 1, 2, 3, 6, 3, 3 only. 3 only. It's correct. Next 6 is hash symbol. 6 is hash symbol. So 3 only. So 3 follow position is 3 only. So what is the thing here? 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Out of 1, 2, 3, 6, small b of position of small b, input symbol of b is 2 only. 2 only. So what is 2? 2 follow position is 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 is nothing but A. So here A. Now it's clear. Okay. Then I can complete for the DFA diagram. This is the steps. So after converting RE to DFA, you got to just draw for the DFA diagrams. How to draw? Based on these formulas, based on these output values. So this is the states of input and output symbol. So the states of A in the input symbol of A is B. Input symbol of B is capital A. So similarly, how to complete for the all the states. So A is nothing but 1, 2, 3, B is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, C is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 5, D is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 6. It's clear? Okay. Now we can draw for the transition diagrams. How to draw? The first state is A. So here A is marked it as 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 can be moved to the input symbol A is capital B. So capital B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So A moved to capital B. Then A, B can be moved to A only. So here A. Sorry, this is B. So A is capital B. A, B is A only. Okay. Then check B states. B of A is B. So B of B is A only. Okay. This is nothing but A. This is nothing but B. It's clear? Then B. B, B can move to C. What is C? C is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. What is C? C is 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. So B, B is C. B, B is C. Okay. Now B coming. Let's go to the C. C, A. C, A is capital B. C, A is capital B. So this is for capital C. Then C, B can move to D. Okay. Now you can draw the D diagram. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. 3, 6 is marked as capital D. Capital D. So C, A is C, B is input symbol A. C, D is input symbol B. Okay. Now check D. What is D? What is D? D, A is B. So D, A is B. D, B is A. So this is for the diagrams. Now we can got clear idea. So this is the final output for the given problems. So what we'll do in conversion of RE to DFA, this is the direct method. So in that problem, first you have to draw for the, first you have to create for the hash symbol for the given step. Second step, you can draw for the syntax tree. So in that syntax tree, we are having for two clarification. One thing is you have to, all the nodes are operator, all the leaves are alphabet and symbol. Third step, you have to, after constructing the syntax tree, you have to specify the numbering for given alphabet and symbols. Then fourth step, you have to, based on the construction of syntax tree, you have to calculate the first position and last positions. First position and last position. After completing first position, last position, you have to calculate for the follow positions. After calculating the first position, last position, you have to calculate for the follow position. So after calculating follow position, you have to convert for RE to DFA. So the last, how to convert for the root node? After constructing the syntax tree, the last node of the root node is The first position of C1 is the root node. So it is marked as A. It is marked as capital A. So in that capital A, what is the, we are having for two input symbol. One is A, another one is B. So in that input symbol of A and B, what is the position of A? So the position of A is 1, 3. So you got to check for 1 follow position and 3 follow position. Both the position you got to merge. Then you got to mark it as a new states. The state is, if it is already available, you can write the same name. It is not available, you can mark it as a new states. Similarly, you have to convert for complete for all the problem. After that, the transition state diagram is transition table diagram. So in that diagram, based on the transition state, you got to draw the RE to DFA diagrams. So this is for the final output of the given problems. That is RE to DFA problem. Okay, it's clear? Okay. So previously I will complete for one more problem. A bar B the whole star A. It's correct, ma? A bar B the whole star A. Now we can do for another same problem we got to complete. Same method we got to complete. I will complete the problems. Once wait for 2 minutes. Okay. Now I draw the problem. What is the problem here? A bar B the whole star A hash symbol. It's correct? Okay. So in that problem, A is 1, B is 2, A is 3, hash is 4. It's correct, ma? Okay. After that, you got to draw for the syntax tree. So what is the follow position of 1? You have to write for the nodes. One follow position is 1, 2, 3. Everything previous did, last class. I complete for the conversion. A is 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3 is the follow position is 4, 4 is empty. So everything how to write for braces. Okay. So RE DFA were computed for two problems. It's clear it? Okay. Now you can calculate for the follow position. This is the follow position of each nodes. Now you can complete for the states. Okay. A of here we are having for two input states A and B. So the out of the root, the first position of C1 for the given syntax tree is A only. So here A is marked as 1, 2, 3. It's correct, ma? So out of 1, 2, 3 of input states A, the input symbol of position A for the input symbol of the position of the input symbol A is 1 and 3. So what is the follow position of 1? Follow position of 1 is 1, 2, 3. What is the follow position of 3? What is the follow position of 3 is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 it is available. It is not available. It is marked as the new state. The new state is marked as B. So A of A is capital B. Then A of B you can calculate out of 1, 2, 3. So in that 1, 2, 3, what is the position of input symbol small b? Only. What is the input symbol of small b? Only 2 only. Only 2. So what is the 2 follow position 1, 2, 3? 1, 2, 3 it is available. What is the input symbol of 1, 2, 3 is A. So A now you can go for capital B. What is B small a? 1, 2, 3, 4. The B, yes, small a is 1 and 3. So what is the follow position of 1? 1 follow position is 1, 2, 3. 3 follow position is 4. Same thing. You can merge for these two follow position 1 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 already is available. What is available? B 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is B only. So out of 1, 2, 3, 4, what is the input symbol of B? The position of one input symbol B. Only for 2 is 1 B symbol. The 2 follow position is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 is already available. It is marked as A. So we can't find for any other new states. Only for two states. One for A, another one for B. A is 1, 2, 3. B is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is for the transition table. Then you can draw for the transition diagram. A is 1, 2, 3. A is 1, 2, 3. So the A can be moved to B. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is mark it as capital B. So A comma A is, A comma A is capital B. A comma B is A. Okay, A comma B is capital A. What about B? B comma A is B only. Then what about B comma B? B comma B is A. So this is for the transition diagram. This is for conversion of RE to DFA. I think you got clear idea about these two problems. Conversion of RE to DFA. We are solving for two problems. One for A bar B the whole star A B B. Second problem A for B the whole star A. Now it's clear. This is for RE to DFA. So today I completed for module 3. All the portions are completed. Then we will start for next class. We will start for fourth model. Okay. Just I can revise the thing once again. Remind it. Okay. So what is the thing? I just revise for the your third model. So now we completed 4. So in the third model, we are having for two problem. One for RE to NFA, that is conversion of NFA, then conversion of NFA to DFA problem, minimization of DFA. Second problem, RE to DFA, that is a direct methods. So we are in direct method, we are doing for first question, follow question, and last questions. Okay, so this is for your first third model. It's completed. Next class we will start for the fourth model. Okay, ma? So what about your in third model syllabus? The first thing, what is lexicon analyzer? Then what are the type of lexicon analyzer? Differentiate between compiler and interpreter. Differentiate between compiler and assembler. Then overview of draw the language pre-processing system diagram. Then overview of language pre-processing system. Okay. Then analysis of the source program. So we are having for two analysis. One for we are having for phases for two phases. One for analysis phase, another one for synthesis phase. Analysis phase is nothing but front end of the compiler. Synthesis phase is nothing but back end of the compiler. So analysis phase is the front end is lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, and intermediate code generation. Synthesis phase is intermediate code generation, code optimization, code generations. So the intermediate code generation will be covered for both the analysis phase and synthesis phase. Okay, then what is the phase of compiler? So we are having for 6 phases. Analysis, lexical analyzer, syntax analyzer, semantic analyzer, intermediate code generation, code optimization, code generation. Then apart from these things, symbol table and error handling technique will be handled for all these phases. Okay, then what about the tools for phases? So the lexical analyzer will generate the tool is called scanner generator. Syntax analyzer will generate the tool is called parser generator. Semantic and no need of tool generator. Intermediate code generation will be generating the tool is called syntax directed translation engine, code optimization, data flow engine or data flow analysis, code generator, automatic code generator. So these are the tool generations. So the group of phases mean the both the front end and back end is nothing but group of phases. So the phases mean you have to check for entire source program. Pass mean you have to check for the execution of the given source program. Then input buffering scheme. What is the role of lexicon analyzer? Role of lexicon will generate for the token. Input buffering. We are having for one buffering, two buffering. The one buffering we can't find for the tokens. A large number of characters we can't find. So input based on the input buffering scheme, the one buffering scheme we are having some disadvantages. Then only you can move on to the two buffer scheme. Two buffering scheme. Okay. Then specification of tokens. What is token? What is pattern? What is lexeme? Languages. Then notations. Then regular expression, regular languages. Okay. Then language for specifying lexical analyzer. What is the language for specifying lexical analyzer? Lexical generator. So in lexical analyzer, we're generating the tool is called lex tool. So in that lex tool, we are having for 3 part. One for declaration part, second for translation section, third for auxiliary procedure section. So based on the 3 section only, you got to do for the given conversion of lex tools. So in that lex tool, you are using for the Ubuntu OS. Okay. So here the specification. So in the declaration part, definition part, you got to define for the percentage of open to percentage of close. Then auxiliary procedure again, you got to open for double percentage. Within the double percentage, you got to declare for the all the translations. Third part, auxiliary procedure, you got to define the main part of the given programs. Then next one is pattern matching problems. So the pattern to be matched with the last one is optimization of DFA based pattern matcher. That is regular expression to DFA. So we are having for first person, follow person, first person, last person, follow person. So based on the three person, we got to did the problem. After that, we got to draw for the RE to DFA problem. Okay. So this is for the your third models in part. I think second part in third model of second part. So third model of second part only you were started for the your combined problems. Then automata. Automata we are having for two construction. One for Thompson construction, another one for subset construction. Thompson construction, you got to did the problem in same thing only. But subset construction algorithm based on the three operation. E closure of S, E closure of T, E closure of T, move of T comma A. Based on the three operation, we got to complete for the subset construction algorithm. With that algorithm only, you got to complete for the given problems. Okay, I think already shared the YouTube link. We got to check and monitor. Then I didn't check. I uploaded the for the, your model 3. I edit the video. Then after that, I will upload in your YouTube link. Then you'll be. I will inform. Lot of time I inform. Just to share your email ID in WhatsApp group. Then only I can share the video everything. Without me email ID, how to possible to send for the given data, any data. Till now we have completed for two weeks classes. But I didn't get any answer from your side. Just you got to share your mail ID in WhatsApp group. Then only I got to forward your PPT, any data. Okay, just mind it, then forward to any CR is there. So you got to forward the CR or any other volunteers. You can just share the mail ID, group mail ID, not individual mail ID. Just share your group ID in WhatsApp group in ITMR18. Then only I can forward your data and can forward the comparison any data. Okay. So this is for the constructions. Okay, this is for conversion of NFA to DFA. Subset construction algorithm, Thompson construction algorithm. Then optimization of DFA based pattern matcher. So this is for pattern matching algorithms. So in that algorithm, we are having for three input. One input is for A, another one for ABB, third one for A star B plus. So based on the problem, you have to draw for the given diagram. Okay, ABB, second one A star B plus. So after that, you have to merge for these three input symbol. These three input symbol. Okay, so one for A, this is for input symbol of A. This is for input symbol of ABB. This is for the third input symbol of A star B plus. So after you have to join these three input symbol. These three input symbol. Okay, so after that, what we'll do? After that, you have to check for the given diagrams. What is the diagram here? Once wait. Okay. So ABB, A star B plus. Now check in ABB, A star B plus. Check. This is for the pattern matching algorithm. So what is 0137? 0137. So 0137 is, this is the states, 0137. 0137. This is for empty states. 0137 is nothing but empty states. Okay. So out of 0137, what is the input symbol of A? You got to check here. 0137. So 0137, what is the input symbol of A? What is the input symbol of B? Now you can check. This diagram you got to check. 0137, the input symbol of A is 247. It's correct? 247. Check. 0137, 0137. The input symbol of small a is 142. Another one for B4. This is for 7 also. A. So 0137A is 247. Okay. Then 0137B is only 8 only. Only 8. 8. Then you are creating the new state. New state is nothing but 247. Okay. 247. Now check 247. What is 247? 247A is 7 only. Now you can check here. 247 is 7 only. It's correct. 247 is 7 only. Okay. Then check 247. 247 is what is 247? 247A is 7 only. 247B is what is 247B? Check here. Sorry. 247B is B8. Check here. 247. Okay. 247B is what is 247B? 247. 247B is 145. Another one for 8. 58. So we are creating for new three states. One is for 7, another one is for 8, another one is for 5, 8. Okay. Then you can calculate for 7. 7, 8, another state 5, 8. Okay. So what is the 7 states of A? 7 state of A is 7 only. Only 7. 7 of B is 8. You can check the diagram. Then check for 8. 8 of A is no 8. Only 8 is no 8. Only B only. So B. B is 8. Then check 5, 8. 5, 8. 5, 8 is no A symbol. Any input symbol A is there? One no. Only for B 6. Another one for 8. So in 5, 8, no input symbol of A. It is marked as empty only. Then 5, 8 of B is 6, 8. It's correct. Then check for 6, 8. 6, 8. Any A is there? A no A, but B is only B 8. So this is for pattern matching, DFA pattern matching algorithms. So based on the 3 input symbol, you have to draw the individual steps. After that, you have to convert for the all the states. You have to merge the diagram. Then out of this diagram, 0, 1, 3, 7 is empty. So this is the new state. The new state marked as a is you have to calculate for A and B. Similarly, you have to complete for all the new states. So 0, 1, 3, 7 is 2, 4, 7 for A, B for 8. Then 2, 4, 7. Next is state 7. Then 8, 5, 8, 6, 8. So all the states you have to compute for the input symbol A value and input symbol B values. So this is for the complete pattern matching algorithms. Okay. So after this one, you got to convert for RE to DFA problems. I think you can got the clear idea. So the unit is over. So model 3 is compiler and basics of compiler and lexical analyzer. Now we can got the clear idea about everything. Okay. So this is for model 2. So in that model 2, we are having the part B question is face of compiler is the part B questions. Then compiler construction tool is the part B question. Then conversion of NFA to DFA and minimization of DFA also on type of part B question. This is the problem. Then RE to DFA, first question, last question, follow question. This is also one type of problems. Okay, in 2 more question mean differentiate between analysis phase and synthesis phase. Differentiate between compiler and interpreter. Compiler and assembler. Draw the language pre-processing system. Write the type of questions of compiler. What is group of phases? Differentiate between pass and phase. What are the error recovery strategy in lexical analyzer? Then role of lexical analyzer is the part B question. Explain input buffering scheme. It's a part B questions. Then write the notation for specification of token. Then define 2 more question pattern lexeme tokens. Okay, this is also 2 more question. I discuss what is the 2 more, what is just to remind it. Okay, then draw the diagram for first question, last question formulas. This is also one type of 2 more questions. Okay, so these are all the 2 more questions, part A question and part B questions. I think you can got the clear idea about the model 3. Okay, now it's clear. We will end the session. Okay, tomorrow, I think tomorrow New Year. Happy New Year for all the students. Then after New Year, we will start for the next model of 4th model. Okay, now it's clear. Happy New Year, ma. Once again, congrats for Happy New Year. Then this is for model 3. Now you can leave the class. Just to share the group ID to your WhatsApp group. Then only I can share the PPT. Lot of time info, but I didn't get any result about your site. What about I don't know. Okay. Now we can leave the class. Okay, ma. Happy New Year.